In a sunny forest, there lived a tiny turtle named Timmy, with the biggest sneeze ever. One day, Timmy felt a sneeze coming. His shell shook, his eyes wiggled, and then, achoo! Suddenly, poof! A huge rainbow shot right out of Timmy's shell. The birds gasped, the squirrels cheered, and even the grumpy owl smiled. Oh, here comes another one. Achoo! This time, sparkling, glowing, giggling bubbles flew everywhere. But then, Timmy felt a super sneeze building up. Ah, ah. Oh no. Acho bug, I. The whole forest lit up with magical light. A message appeared in glowing stars. Thank you for spreading joy. All the animals gathered around and shouted, "Your sneezes make magic." And from that day on, whenever Timmy felt a sneeze coming, everyone would cheer. Magic time. And Timmy's magical sneezes made the whole forest happy every single day. Thanks for watching.